Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's just simply slide a little bit to the right to get access to the camera settings, and now we can pick the picture size here with the back camera. And here we can manage aspect ratio connected with the megapixels, so we have two ratios, 4 and 3 and 16:9. This is connected with different quality. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 13 megapixels to 4 and 3 and 8 and 3 megapixels to 16:9. So let's pick it and let's go back to the camera preview to see the difference. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one. Now let's slide again and pick the picture size. Let's go back to 4 and 3, and to remind you, this is the shorter one aspect ratio here, and that's all.